Hi guys. Oh my god. Init. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, andito tayo ngayon sa labas. I got so hot. Ang init niya, promise. Yan, order pa mo. So, ayun nga, umorder ako ng yun yung siyang toothpaste. Actually, medicine siya. So, I need to wait for the Uber na to get this medicine. Guys, ay, ito na ata. Maybe this one. Maybe this one. Pagad, where na? Brother. This brother na. Wait lang na. 1, 6. Pagad. Oh my god, wrong. My hair. Saan na? Ito si brother. Tagal naman yung brother. Where is si brother? Hello brother, where are you now? Near na? Supermarket? Oh my god. 2 minutes? Okay, I'm here outside, ah? Okay. So, ayan. Ito sa loob. My God. Ito na si brother. Hi, brother. Yeah, where na the medicine? Yeah. This 150. Aywa. Saan kinukuha? Where na, brother? Too much, brother, ah. Oh my God. Too much. Then what time you will finish na this one? Your job will finish.
Evening.
Evening. Oh my God. You need to deliver it all.
Yeah.
Aywa. This one, the 50, 50. This one na. Okay. Thank you, brother. It's so hot, brother. Yeah. Okay na. 1 real for you na. Yeah, thank you. Take care, brother. This one na, oh. Napakainit naman dito sa Qatar. So, this one na. Pasok na tayo sa bahay ni boss.